Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a free membership on chess.com. I was exploring chess.com recently and noticed how many features are locked behind the diamond membership. So naturally, I look into the legit ways to access it for free. The most straightforward option is the free trial. When you create a new account or if you haven't used the trial yet, you usually see a try for free option. I tap that, choose a plan, and unlock all the premium features for a limited time. It's perfect if you just want to explore advanced tools like game analysis or lessons. Another option I've seen is through gift memberships. If you have a friend on chess.com, they can actually send you a subscription as a gift, which is pretty cool if you play together regularly. Other than that, I stay away from random free membership links online. Those are usually not legit. Honestly, the safest approach is sticking to official trials or gifts because anything else tends to be more risky than rewarding. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.